Alright, I have more models on my online store, customtrackmasters.com, link in the description. And today we are looking at Lady. This is from a wooden railway Lady. Let's put it closer so you can see. So I mentioned before we are going to put one picture, but you're here looking at the model with more details. And its battery terminals are very clean on this Lady. Of course, these models are wooden railway and they don't run faster, but they have like a four-wheel drive. Yes, it is working nice. And the next model, let me remove the battery. So I unscrew all the models so we can do this faster. And the next model we have is a steam alone Thomas. You've seen me fixing, repairing this model, remember? And it's kind of fast. Now it does come with water dropper, and I'm gonna tell you that it does have some dialing or numbers. I don't know what you call this, but you can use up to 2 milliliters or 2.5 milliliters, and it goes right in here. Just one squeeze and ready to go, and it's working. As you can see the smoke. Let's see. Oh, didn't pop. It needs to run more. So anyways, now let's see the roof so you can see with more details. I did not touch up or paint this roof, so that's the details you're seeing here and here too. Other than the paint on the roof, it looks good, looks okay. That's the Thomas Steam Alone Tomy. Okay, next, the next one we have is a custom hero, patchwork hero. Like I say, I remove all the screws on these models so you can see, I mean, we can pass this faster. And this one of course has clean battery terminals, and it works as it should. Okay, let me see if I can do it once. These are kind of tricky. There it goes. Now close up so that you can see hero, patchwork hero. This is all engines go, and I put it for sale. Now it's going to be on a discounted price. Hero, working nice. Next one. Okay, let me remove the batteries first. So I'm going to put one picture for each model. So the next one is, we have a Lady here. It is not in an excellent shape, but for the price it's good and it's working, running great. That you can see more detail. What's this? Is it a dirt? I think some sort of let me see. You gotta pull the tabs, this one's down, and then press the sides and pull it like that. Yeah, this kind of sort of something paper, I think. Now, battery terminal, it is clean. I did some service on this model and it runs great. Now, let me show you the bad thing here. There is some spot stain and it works good. And it's kind of fast for the edge. For the age, I say edge, it's not edge, it's age. Okay, that's Lady, and I have a Dodge that you can see with more details. The paint, that is the tear and wear on these models. There's Dodge. Somebody painted, the previous owner painted with red here. There's the face of Dodge. All these models require battery. I mean, this one requires a C battery, but these models does not come with any batteries, so do not expect any batteries in the models. It is Dodge. it goes. I don't know why these tracks make some noise, clicking noise. It's smooth. The engine is smooth. It's the tracks. I think the Tomy tracks are better than this because these make a little noise. So there is Dodge, and like I don't know if I showed you before, but battery terminal, very clean. And let's move on. The next one we have Percy, and it's missing one eyebrow. I replaced. You know what I'm going to do now? For the price, is not bad. I'm going to paint this the back of the Percy so it comes looks much better. You know, I'm gonna paint the area that is being faded or chipped paint. Yeah, looks much better. Now, like I say, I'm trying to beat up the prices on eBay. So if you find it on eBay, I mean these models all have been inspected and serviced. And this one actually I remove. I put a new battery terminal. There you can hear Percy, how it sounds. I didn't mention the other ones. This one is 2009 Mattel Percy. And it's working. Some tear and wear on the red bands on the boiler. Other than that, it's working very good. Now let's move on. Rocky is a Hitoy company, 2006. This one, let me tell you, I fixed it, and I put a battery terminal, spring-loaded battery terminal that you can see. It takes 1 liter AAA battery. Now the mechanism works, but you need a brand new battery, fresh battery. Let's take a closer look from Rocky so you can see the details on this model. I have not painted or changed any decals or stickers on this model. Let me show you before we proceed to move this Rocky. You can pull these legs. I remember 10 years ago, yeah, pretty much 10 years ago, when I started fixing my first models, I was trying to find out how to fix it, and by accident I pulled these little legs, and I discovered that these were legs that the cranes deploy, you know, they extend so it can balance, but this one doesn't touch the floor or the ground anyways. Okay, now here is the switch. It goes down, goes up. You need new batteries. One side makes that clicking noise, the other side, when you turn the switch to the other side, it works great. There you can see the difference. You notice that, and you put it in the middle, lower it, and also you can stop there and just turn the switch to the opposite side, and it will raise the cargo very good. Now let's close the legs, and I'm gonna lower the cargo so that you can see the screws, how they look. So you are going to what you're going to receive, that's what you're going to get, you know. I'm not changing anything. Yeah, I see. If you buy on eBay and then you see just the pictures, it's not the same, because when you get the model at home delivered, it's very disappointed, because you don't know what you get, you know. When you get it and you don't want to return, I'm gonna paint this just little cheap paint on the coil. Now this is a free paste talking Thomas. I do not have the tracks for this model, so it will come as it is. So battery terminals clean. The setting of my camera, it's kind of different. It should be a little clear green, not kind of dark green. but you have the idea anyways. So with the batteries on, you can switch and it will talk.
I've discovered a very old engine named Hero. Watch out for the jam. I'm Tom. I'm helping to watch out for the jam. I'm helping to build the Duke and Duchess's brand new summer house. I've discovered a very old engine named Hero.
I don't know if you have noticed, but if you have this upside down, I had a lot of these several times long time ago, when I used to sell on eBay. If you have it upside down, it does not flip the face. You can try this on several models, but you have it on the right position. It should be level. It works great. Of course, it's the speed that it takes, and when it runs on the track, makes it work. It's working great. So let me show you the stickers or decals on this model so you can see closer. And there is the paint on the roof, the decals here. I don't know why it looks so blue. It should be like a baby blue or whatever is the call. I mean, you call this color. And here is the other sticker on the back, on the other side. I already showed you the back, and it's working. I think I already posted this, and I sold it, and somebody asked me to cancel the order. I don't know why he he said that he no longer wanted it, but anyways, it's okay. I canceled the order and I listed again. So here we have Etienne or Etienne. I don't know, Etienne or Etienne. I don't know. This one is Mattel 2013. Then you can see it closer with more detail. It looks in decent condition. It's not bad. I haven't seen how much these models cost lately. I think last year these models were like between 30, 42 bucks, I think. I don't remember. Yeah, they sold for that price, around that price. Anyways, so the next one we have Arthur. Arthur is a Tomy 2004. This model does not get too much damage here. Just right here there is some paint chipping, and on the roof. Other than that's the cosmetic condition on the models. You know, when you use them, they've been played a lot. People used to say they've been loved. But anyways, so there is the battery terminals for this Arthur, and it looks clean. Now let's put, I'm just gonna put it over here, not screw the model. Kind of quiet for the motor. Yeah, there are some models that they are very loud, but this one is quite quiet model. Nice. It's gonna take me long. Even I had this prepared. I guess I'm gonna end with this other model. Hold on. So we have here very clean battery terminals for this jet engine from Thomas and the Jet Engine. I think I have 5 more of these. I need to find. Look at the paint on this. I'm not screwing this, so it's gonna be open. You're gonna see the gap here, and paint looks decent. Now here's the switch. This is not motorized, but when the wheel moves, you can see the light blinks. It's the same mechanism for the steam alone. They have the same mechanism to activate the light and the steam on the steam alone Thomas. Very nice model. Okay, then the last item I'm going to post is, I'm going to pause it. So this is the last item I'm posting. Remember, these need some cleaning, and they look some greenish color. The color is being faded. That's the one is green right there. And those comes a lot. This slot here, I don't know how many tracks, but I'm going to describe how many tracks. I'm not going to disclose or put, we have straight tracks, cross tracks. You're going to see a big picture. And it does have these, I mean, for the price, I'm just putting it for $5 and in the shipping, you know. I think these ones are expensive. I think these ones sold for $10 the pair. I just want to get rid of these tracks. You need to clean them. They are dirty. And I have a lot of boxes that I need to just put them in, you know, a lot of stuff and put them for sale. So that's the end of the video today. So check the link in the description, and thanks.